Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Today, we're diving into the step-by-step process of replacing the motor and ring in your Dyson SV47 vacuum cleaner. First, let's gather the necessary tools. You'll need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of pliers, and a replacement motor and ring specifically designed for the Dyson SV47 model. Start by unplugging the vacuum cleaner to ensure safety during the repair process. Once unplugged, remove the dust canister and filter to gain access to the motor compartment. This is a crucial step as it allows for better visibility and access. Next, locate the screws securing the cover of the motor compartment. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and set them aside. Remember, keeping your workspace organized will help you avoid losing any small parts. With the screws removed, gently lift the cover off. You might notice some dust and debris. Take a moment to clean this area using a soft brush or a vacuum attachment. A clean workspace is essential for effective repairs. Now, you can see the motor. Disconnect the wires attached to the motor by gently pulling them off. If you encounter any resistance, use your flathead screwdriver to carefully pry them loose. Ensure that you remember where each wire connects for reassembly later. Next, remove the screws holding the motor in place. Carefully take out the motor from its housing. If you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable performing this repair yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. This can save you time and potential hassle. Now, take your new motor and place it into the housing. Secure it with the screws you previously removed. After that, reconnect the wires, ensuring they are firmly attached. If you need assistance, our pickup and delivery at your home service is available, making it easy for you to get your vacuum repaired without any travel or phone calls. Once the motor is securely in place, it's time to install the new ring. Position the ring around the motor and align it carefully. Use your pliers to ensure it fits snugly. This step is crucial as a loose ring can lead to performance issues. After the ring is secured, replace the cover of the motor compartment. Reattach all screws tightly to prevent any air leaks, which could reduce the efficiency of your vacuum cleaner. Finally, reinsert the dust canister and filter, plug your vacuum back in, and test it to ensure everything is working properly. If you run into any issues or prefer a professional touch, remember that we provide a quote before repair to keep you informed about potential costs. With these steps, you should have successfully replaced the motor and ring in your Dyson SV47. Regular maintenance like this can extend the life of your vacuum and ensure it runs smoothly for years to come. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.